Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, come back with me Deviani Solikha. This time, I will explain how to configure firewall filter chain forward. Chain forward to function to drop packet from the client to the internet. Later, the client will not be able to ping or send ICMP packet to the internet network. But the client can still connect to the router. Okay, open the Winbox. Connect with MAC address. The first step is to check the interface by using the command interface print. Enter. It can be seen here that Ether1 is to the laptop and WLAN 1 as the IP. It can be seen here that WLAN 1 is still disabled. After that, activate the WLAN 1 interface by using the command interface enable WLAN 1. Enter. Check with the WLAN 1 interface has been successfully activated or not by using the command interface print. Enter. And it can be seen that there is no flag X anymore. Next, configure the security profile on the WLAN 1 interface which function as wireless security by using the command interface wireless security profile, add name Deviani, mode dynamic case, authentication types WPA PSK, and WPA2 PSK. Unicast chippers, CCM, TCAIP, group chippers, CCM, TCAIP, WPA, Preser key, Misbahul 11, WPA2, Preser key, Misbahul 11. Okay, enter. Check by using the command interface wireless security profile print. Enter. And it can be seen that it has been successful configured. Next, scan to select the access point you want to use by using the command interface wireless scan WLAN 1. Enter. Here, I will use the SSID Misbahul. Next, set the WLAN 1 interface by using the command interface wireless set WLAN 1 mode station band tugas BGN SSID Misbahul security profile Deviani. Okay, enter. Check with the command interface wireless print. Enter. And it can be seen that the flags have changed to running. Next, configure the DHCP client to get the IP by using the command IP DHCP client add interface WLAN 1, disable, no, enter. Then do a check with the command IP DHCP client print, enter. And it can be seen here that the client router has got an IP address and the status is bound. Then check whether the router is connected to the internet or not by using the command ping google.com, enter. It can be seen here that the result is a replay, which means the router is connected to the internet. Next, do the deployment of internet access for the client later by using the command IP firewallnet chain srcnet out interface WLAN 1 action masquerade. Oke, enter. Do a check with the command IP firewallnet print, enter. And it can be seen here that it has been successful configured the IP firewallnet. After that, configure the IP address by using the command IP address at address 9.9.9.1/24 interface ether 1, enter. Check with the command IP address print, enter. And it can be seen that it has been successful configure the IP address using ether 1. Next, configure the IP manually to the client. Okay. Network and internet settings. Change adapter option. Ethernet. Properties. Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, use the following IP address. Make sure that the IP address used is the same as the IP address that we registered earlier. Here, I will give the IP address 9.9.9.9 with a subnet mask 255.255.255.0, default gateway 9.9.9.1, and DNS server with the IP open source, which is 8.8.8.8. Okay. Okay. Check with details, and you can see here that it has been successful. Okay, close. Next, ping CMD, namely ping google.com, enter. Here, it can be seen that the result is a replay, which means the client can still connect to the internet. Okay, next. Configure the firewall filter chain forward by using the command IP firewall filter and change forward SRC address 9.9.9.9 protocol ICMP out interface WLAN 1 action drop. Enter. Check with the command IP firewall filter print. Enter. And it can be seen here that the configuration has been successful. After that, ping the CMD again using the command ping google.com. And it can be seen that the result is a request timeout, which means we have success in blocking the ICMP packet from the client to the internet. But the client can still connect to the router. To test it can be done by ping the IP router, namely ping 9.9.9.1. Enter. And it can be seen that the result is a replay, which means the client is still connected to the router. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.